Problem number 1 on projectile motion. A projectile is aimed to an object on a horizontal plane through the point of projection and it falls 10 meters short when angle of projection is 15 degree. While it overshoots the object by 20 meters when angle of projection is 45 degree. So diagram is not given but we will develop the sketch. So first when angle of projection is 15 degree, it falls 10 meter before the object, and where angle is 45 degree, angle of projection is 45 degree, it go beyond 20 meter of the object. Determine the angle of projection to hit the object correctly. So they will ask you to find out the correct angle of value of alpha so that it will hit the object correctly. So you will also need to find out the range R. Now we'll put in mathematical form. We know R is equal to u square by g sine 2 alpha. Now first case, the range is shorter than 10 meter, so R is equal to R minus 10. Alpha is equal to 15 degree given. Now we'll put in the equation formula. So R minus 10 is equal to u square by g sine 2 alpha. But sine 30 is equal to 0.5 or 1 by 2. So this will go on this side and it will become 2R minus 20 is equal to u square by g, equal to u square by g. Now remember, in this types of problem you have to find out the value of u square by g first, and that will be the beneficial. In the second part, or in the second case, alpha is equal to 45 degree and range is equal to r plus 20 than the actual one. So sine into 245, sine 90 is equal to 1, so it will become r plus 20 is equal to u square by g. Both equation 1 and 2 are in terms of u square by g. We'll equate that one and we'll get the value of r is equal to 40 meter. Now we'll put this r equal to 40 meter in equation 1 and we'll find out the value of u square by g, and that will equal to u square by g is equal to 60. Now we have to determine the correct r, and for that we'll use the equation r is equal to u square by g sine 2 alpha. R is equal to 40, found out in earlier step. U square by g equal to 60 into sine 2 alpha. We'll get sine 2 alpha is equal to 40 by 60, then 2 alpha is equal to 41 if take sine inverse on this side, and alpha is equal to 20.9 degree. So with this angle, if this shoot, then it will hit the object correctly. So correct angle is almost 21 degree. Now in problem number 2, a projectile is fired with initial velocity of 240 meter per second at the target B located 600 meter above the gun at A and at a horizontal distance of 3600 meter. Determine the value of firing angle alpha. So diagram is given in this case. A point is given where the projectile is fired with velocity 240 meter per second. Angle alpha is unknown, that we need to find out. The distance between point A and B, or the horizontal distance, is given as 3600 meter, while vertical distance is given by 60 meter. This is the object we need to hit from point A with velocity 240 meter per second. Now in this, time quantity is not required, so we can use equation of trajectory. So we'll use equation y is equal to x tan alpha minus gx square upon 2u square cos square alpha, where y is the vertical distance between the 2 points and that is equal to 600, x is equal to horizontal distance between the 2 points, so that is equal to 3600. Initial u is given, that is equal to 240 meter per second. So we'll substitute these values in equation and we'll get the equation in terms of this. We can simplify this. We can substitute 1 by cos square alpha equal to sec alpha square. So this equal to 600 3600 tan alpha minus 1103 sec alpha square. Again we know the substitution for this is 1 plus tan square alpha. So divided by 600 we'll get this. Then this total equation will become in terms of tan alpha, quadratic in terms of tan alpha. And solving this equation we'll get two values of alpha is equal to 69 degree and 29 degree. So with this two angle you can fire this projectile and which will hit the object at B. One more thing in